Hi guys, good morning again. Yes, I want to check the squash here, the squash area, because I know there is one outside there, ready to pick. So I just harvest few this morning. I don't know why I did not delete the video, but I just go away. It's not there, not safe. I pick up some tomato at the backyard and some okra, then a few squash inside there. Then we pick up me and Ondoy the papaya. So everything there in the table, in the kitchen. So I need to pick up one here because this is ready to pick. Yellow, see? Nice. Nice squash. Totally old. It's yellow. There. And the one here. Then, oh yeah. Sorry guys. I broke some of the branches here. Too heavy. So now I'm going to check in the rice field. On the field, I know that we grow some tomato there. I need to go there. And I'll just walk here. My knees numb. I did not fed yet the piglets. Just walk slowly here. Maybe I'll just set the squash here, so it's light to carry. Wow, our mangoes, they're doing good after pruning. Nice, very nice. Super duper dry really again. Our palm there. Very low. It's so nice here, cold. Nice breeze under a lot of trees. A lot of shades. Our area really is so clean and neat, and it's not crowded. That's what Philip like. He don't want a crowded area. He wants to organize. Even if that's really hard work, but he really really rework for that. Oh, I think, oh, not much. Our pineapple here, they're doing good. In the sun, very nice. I wish we have running water here so we can, oh God, we can plant everything. Oh, the okra here. Gua. Yeah, they're dying here. Dry. So that's it, guys. 2 pieces. I thought there are more. The malunggay. Few are growing. There are some malunggay here. I think this one died. Or not. There's a nice one here. Malunggay. Here too. One more here. So that's all our malunggay. Super dry. Now there is one here. Oh. Nice pineapple. I wanna go back home now. Oh, I got so many pickers on my pants, my gulay. So itchy. It is Friday here. A Good Friday. I'll try a single. That's Bido's father, Marites. So I'm going to show you guys what I harvest this morning and that I set that one on the table. Our banana. And we still have pineapple here. More pineapple. This is wild pineapple. We still have more there. Let's go. It's getting hot. This is strawberry area here. Get my squash. I'm here now, guys, inside the kitchen. This is the one that I picked up this morning. Some okra, few tomatoes at the backyard, and more papaya, fresh papaya. I'm going to shake that. Then I have 2 squash. These are the squash hanging there on the wall. I'm not sure if this is old. I can see that there are a few yellow. I'm pretty sure this is old enough. So many. That's good for our food and snack. A dessert, papaya. And tomato for salad. Then I'm going to boil the okra. I have here lettuce. So no need to pick on my garden. And I can make a soup too. Add with coconut milk and few meat. And that's it, guys. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. God bless you, everyone.